The other one does not have the license, but this new program, because it has the integration to CCTV and certain other stuff and the web server, it needs a license. How do you work with the license? When you first install the software, it will give you a basic license, which means the program will open and you can use up to 6 doors.
Only 6 doors.
Only. For free, 6 doors.
Okay, but this one is that we use the another system or also
No,
with this one?
this, with the Pro.
Okay. Okay.
With the other one, no. With the green Extrax NG, no, you can have more than 6. But with the Extrax Pro, no. So over here is where you get, we go help, you've got license. Okay? When you install the program, every program, we go here, let me just do this a second. Okay? It will create a hardware ID, okay? Which is basically a number generated by an algorithm for each probably CPU serial number or something. Okay.
The key, like serial number.
Yes. Okay. So that is going to be different. So if I, even on my laptop, if I uninstall this program and reinstall it again, that number will be different. Okay. It will not be the same. Okay. So what you have to do in order to actually license it is you have to get this hardware ID. You download it into a file. Okay. It's just a text file, nothing special, and that has to be sent to Rosslare. Okay, and tell them this is the hardware ID for our client. Okay, please send us the license file. They will send you a license file. You will click on these dots and find the license file, which will probably be in downloads. It's probably get Sandy to send it, or Sandy to send it, and it will come back to Sandy. So then Sandy will give it to you somehow. I don't know, via email, WhatsApp, or whatever you guys do for those files. Okay, and you would just put it on your PC, find the file, click on it, click OK, and it will activate.
Suppose this file that they will send you is
I'll
the same that you send with the same serial number that you send it?
No. It will look like this. It will be called, if you go this is the file. There, it will be called Extrax Pro.
Pro license.
license.
They will send you Pro license.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the Pro license. If I try and double click it, I can't read it. It doesn't let me go in.
You need to read from inside of the program.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So that's how you activate it, which if they don't send us the license in time, that's what you're going to have to do. Otherwise, because you have to do that before you import the database. Because bear in mind, their VM is empty. It doesn't have our program.
But for example, here on display, they send it already.
No,
they don't
because
send it.
The VM isn't set up. They have problems to set up the SQL. You understand? This is what I was doing with Javier last night. Remember? So that has to be activated. If it's not activated, you will not be able to work. Okay? So, also, they said that they're going to use the VM to access the software only. So really, you don't have to install the client anywhere. They said because of security, we want it on the VM, and we can all go into the VM. Because they don't want that someone changes one card and somebody deletes the same card. You understand? Because that can happen when you all have access to the same system at the same time.
They only want to manage from there.
Yeah. Well, they can see. No, they can see that VM from everywhere. From the people who have access from everywhere. Okay. So, the last thing.
Virtual machine.
Yeah, the virtual machine, the VM. Yeah. So if we log in again. Oh yeah, I'm already logged in. It's down the bottom, isn't it? Cancel. Okay. What the hell is it trying to install? Yes, all right, cancel.
Cancel.
Yeah, because it's already there. Okay, so that's basically how they are, and obviously we've got your user. I can delete that anytime I want, so I can take away your access. Okay. So if I don't want to access, I can delete your access. Okay, because I'm administrator. You cannot delete the administrator as Jorge. There, just so you know, so I explained to you everything. But you can see that obviously there was a load more stuff over here that there wasn't on the other side. Okay, any questions?
Okay, but you cannot create another user like administrator?
Yes, of course you can, yes.
You can create
Yes,
but
yes.
Still, the first administrator that have for defect the program, you cannot delete.
Correct.
Okay. You can delete the another one.
Yes. So you can create a user with any rights you want. Will we see who came in today or who came in yesterday? Obviously, you can go through the log